Hey everyone, back with this beautiful Hunter Original, this early 80s Hunter Original. I believe it's an early 80s Hunter Original RM. See the Robbins and Myers, so this is one of the better Hunter Originals from the better days. Shaded, believe it looks like a shaded pole motor. So, and this is actually a 2-speed. Switches on. So, it's high, low, and you're actually going to get like a medium low out of it. But this hangs a little low for in this room with that down rod, so I definitely plan to get a shorter down rod or make a shorter down rod. I'm going to prop the camera while I can't get it to prop. I always like to prop. Well, I'm going to hold it. I can't get anything to hold my camera, but this is the medium low. Or it's actually and here comes high. Man, this thing is powerful. I'm thinking about putting this where that Japanese Lasco is. Getting that gold line, which is actually the Stratafan by Evergo, to go with this Hunter Original and really move some air. Although I have another Hunter Original down there. That's a 42-inch. This is a 52-inch, I believe. But this thing is strong. What I'm talking about. This is Hunter Originals. Okay, time for spin down. See a little bit of a blade height issue there, but doesn't wobble. That motor's so heavy that I never got any wobble, but I definitely want to check that out. So take a look at it. But 2-speed, no reverse, so. But this thing is beautiful. Okay, well that is all for the Hunter Original RM, and I hope you guys enjoy this, and thanks for watching.